Students, hello parents, hello friends, welcome to Concept Clarity, Physics and Maths. So we are going to continue our class 10 related chapters. So we were on basic mathematics. So today we are going to do some problem solving. Problem solving on what? On what, sir? Problem solving? Problems related to arithmetic mean and geometric mean. We are going to cover only this in today's session, and next session we are going to see arithmetic progression as well. Okay, so let's see the first problem. Let's take one problem. So let us consider one problem. Consider two numbers. Okay, sir, two numbers 10 and 40. So what is their arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the average, right? Average of 10 and 40. So you have two numbers, so average of 10 and 40 will be 10 plus 40 divided by 2, right? So what's going to happen? It's going to be 50 divided by 2, which is 25. This is going to be your arithmetic mean. Okay, this is arithmetic mean. So second problem, what is their geometric mean? What is their geometric mean? Geometric mean will be the square root of 10 into 40. 10 into 40 is 400. So 400 का square root 10 and 2 will become 20. This is their geometric mean. Right? Let us take one more problem. Next problem will be, second problem, find two numbers whose arithmetic mean is 5 and geometric mean is 4. Can we do this? Take some time and try to do it. Okay, let's try to solve it. Let us assume first number is x and second number is y. Okay, so if first number is x and second number is y, then arithmetic mean will be equal to x plus y divided by 2 is equal to, the mean is 5. So we'll take 5 here. So then this equation will turn out to be x plus y is equal to 10. This is your first expression. Now geometric mean will be square root of x into y, and this is equal to 4, right? Equal to 4. So this will give you this equation, x into y is equal to, the square root will come out this side, it will become 16. So this is your other expression. Okay, so from these two expressions we can take the second expression and say x is equal to 16 by y. You can rearrange it as this expression, right? So now 2.1 you put it in 1. Okay, so what we are going to get, if we put x, value of x, we are going to put it here in 1. So you are going to get 16 by y plus y is equal to 10. I hope all the signs and all are correct. Okay, so this is going to work out as, okay, write it down here. I write down the next steps here. Okay, you'll get 16 plus y square is equal to 10y. So this will work out as y square minus 10y plus 16 is equal to 0. So now you have to solve this. So 16 can be broken down into 8 and 2, right? 8 into 2, 16, 8 plus 2, 10. So y square minus 8y minus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. So from here, if you solve this, you will get y is equal to 2 or y is equal to 8, right? These are the values you will get. Alright, if you try to solve it, you will get y minus 8, right? Y will come out, y minus 8, then you will get minus 2 here and y minus 8 again. So y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8. So then if you take any one of the, if you take y is equal to 2, if you take y is equal to 2, then you will get x is equal to, if you take y is 2, x will be 10 minus 2, which will become 8. And if you take y is equal to 8, then you will get x is equal to 2. So these are the two values. So what are the two values? 2 and 8. Okay. So these are the two problems for arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So in our next video, we are going to see about arithmetic progression. See you then. Subscribe as well.